Goat shelter number 2 day. That didn't go into anything.
I'm gonna take a nap now.
Once we get this situated, we can go get our goats.
Yeah!
All right, it's goat shelter number 2 day.
One wasn't enough.
One wasn't enough. We need to keep, hopefully, our future goats separated from his goats because they're babies and we're gonna be bottle feeding them. So we are going to use this part of the property here
Right about here.
for some baby goats. They're gonna have some nice shade. This whole fence is gonna change a little bit. It's gonna go in that way. We're gonna build a second pasture or paddock for our baby goats. And our goal is to get 2 female Nigerian dwarves that are bottle babies. And this will be a spot to be able to milk them, and they'll, like I said, get shade all day. That is going to be transformed into our baby goat shelter. We're really excited. Once we get this situated, we can go get our goats. Possibly within a week or so. We're gonna paint this one barn red with white trim to match the whole.
Just like this guy over here,
Yep.
that guy over there. We're doing it.
Should I say about goats? Hopefully within a couple years, once we breed them, we'll be able to milk them. So it's gonna take a little time to get some goat milk on this farm. But that's okay because we have plenty to do.
It's definitely worth the patience and time that it's gonna take to get our own baby goats and milk them and have them trust us, so that flashback to what happened there. Careful, watch your face.
I think we need all hands on deck.
Untie it, untie it.
Oh my God. Oh Jesus, I need some support here.
Doesn't happen again. Oops.
Here he comes, here he comes.
Goat house time. Take 2.
Woo. Not too much inside.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cute. Done. No.
Keep going. Right there. Yep.
That didn't go into anything.
No, it didn't.
And that's the last one.
Pretty pretty.
I know, it's really cute. All right.
What are we making up here? We're making a little box to put our future goats' food in. If you leave the food out, you're gonna get rats. Ooh. Beautiful. Woo. There. Things have been known to slip. Oh, okay. It opens.
Nice.
That works down here.
There we go. Feed box. All right.
Thanks,
Thanks,
sir.
man.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, me. Perfect.
Pretty awesome. That was a bonus from today.
There you go.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Mmm.
Look at something.
Spankies.
Oh. So we are building the new baby goat paddock right now. This lot back here has been for Simon's goats, and we would like to share in that land for our own goats. We are going to be taking sort of like a big piece of pie here so that his goats can be back there and our goats can be up here. Pretty exciting.
Yep, I'm gonna just jumper it.
Yeah. Aha! I'm gonna take a nap now. All right, nap's over.
All right, pull her tight.
Pull her tight.
You're doing a really good job. Appreciate that. I'm trying. Just doing a lot of holding.
So, you leave yourself somewhat of a decent pigtail. Then go around, tie yourself a knot, double knot it, get it good and tight. And then come over here.
Okay, it's kind of what I thought.
Yeah, and knot it to this. So now this wire is going to be electrified. So, and if there's a little slack in it, okay, it's fine. And then you can double knot it if you want.
Cool.
And then just stretch it down there and do the same thing, double, maybe triple knot it. The goats will like to push and stuff on it, especially if it's not connected, so.
Okay.
We'll come right back
Great.
and keep doing it.
Yeah.
All right,
Yep.
cool.
And get your first row in and tight, then you'll know exactly where you need to put all your stakes.
There it is. I mean, I'm pretty good at standing in one place. So, thank God I'm here.
Dreams to reality. Someone was saying sometimes it takes a little time for the goats to understand electricity.
Oh yeah.
They might do it a few
Takes a
times
few shocks.
before they. You want me to do that? Good.
This whole episode's just gonna be me standing still.
Look at those muscles popping though.
Yeah, there's that.
Looking good.
Thank you, baby. Couldn't do it without me, I know. I'd say lift them all.
Yeah, I think maybe lift them off.
There you go. Yeah, that's plenty after when you get through.
You want to test it out?
Sure. Yeah, it's good. So if I were a goat,
Yeah, it's just temporary, so.
if it's in there, that should be fine, right?
Yeah, it's in. Good enough.
Yeah.
That's good enough.
That was the end of that. Right on time.
You know what that means?
What does that mean?
Goat House is closed for business
Oh man, it didn't even get to open yet.
until baby gets.
Until we get our goats.
Baby.
It's very soon. Coming soon.
To be continued.
Goat House Part 2.
All right. You can send them on through.
Also, if anybody gets out of line at the wedding, we have a nice slip and so for them.
You think they'll be interested at all in our baby? What do you think?
So I kind of forgot to record myself painting this little goat house. We're getting our goats tomorrow. This is where we're at right now. Got the trim all nice and done. I got to touch that up. I'll fix that. We noticed that there's a little bit of black mold. So I'm going through right now and spraying this really heavily with vinegar. Vinegar is going to kill that black mold. And then I'm going to scrub at it with some soap and water. I'm going to let it dry out. And then we're going to go out and get some paint. And we're going to paint over all that with a nice lavender color. This is going to be their little home. And we're very, very excited to finally have our goats. It's like a video game. Whew, and just like that, our goat house is finished. Alley-oop. I think our babies are going to be really happy. And if they're going to want for anything, it's not love. So we're really excited to go get them. Why don't we go get them right now? In part 2. Got them!